Hey everyone, Dani Malik here. Today I'm sharing my latest level design work in Unreal Engine 4. The assets I use for building this level is from Marketplace called Advanced Level Play. What? Advanced Village Pack. This pack is very low poly and stylized and also good for mobile gaming, but doesn't contain LOD level of detail. You have to make your own if needed. Like I did, it's easy. Just click on the 3D model, go to this section, increase the number of details you want, uncheck this section so that we can add our own value just to get our desired distance. And also I try to blend the rock by simply applying the detail node in material section. This will help me to blend the rocks into the terrain. Later I realized it was useless because I covered the rocks with the grass. Okay, enough talk, let's watch the time lapse together. Bye, take care.